Do you remember the demo with the lab with the diffraction grating?
Yeah.
We shine the laser through there. This is a whole sheet of that material. This sheet is kind of special. I got the chocolate on here. She melted chocolate, poured it on here, and now the little gratings that are in here, those little grooves, are embedded in the chocolate. So we're going to see if we can create a diffraction pattern with the chocolate, just as we would with the diffraction grating. We can see the beam on my hand. I'm going to put the diffraction grating in front of the beam, and we get the little dots. Turn it out. What's the brightest dot in the middle?
Principal max.
Principal maximum. Then we have what maximum over here and here?
First.
The first max on either side. It's kind of dim, but there's a second max out there too. Now, this diffraction grating is a double diffraction grating. Can you imagine if I take this one and have it vertical? See that? I put this one in front, make it horizontal. I'm now going to put them together. What are we going to get? See the pattern? Can you guys see back there?
Yes.
You see the 4 dots? Whoa, what is going on? It's trippy, right? Those lines that are etched in here go vertical, sideways. You follow me? So you can definitely see principal, first, and second easily, correct? This is a good quality diffraction grating. We could cut out squares and make our own for the next year's lab. This is transparent, right? But if I reflect it off of here, you can get a pattern of due to reflection. Can you see the dots? That's an interference pattern due to the reflection of the waves. Now we got the right side of the chocolate. We're gonna aim it right on the chocolate. Can you see the pattern? Let me get it better. Then I'll lose the damn chocolate. Can you see the dots? That is on the chocolate. There's like 1,000 lines per millimeter etched in this plastic. Now there's 1,000 lines per millimeter etched in the chocolate. You have an opening and a barrier, and a wave comes in like this. So here come the waves. What's going to happen when they go through the opening?
They'll spread out.
They spread out. What do we call that phenomenon? That's the diffraction. Now, what do we have another opening over here?
Interference.
We're going to get the waves to come through, and that's when we get the crest on crest, we get the principal maximum. Remember this? And then over here, we got the first maximum. What is this line here?
Nodal
The
line.
nodal line, and that's where we get the dark regions, right? So this is happening over and over and over again on that sheet. So how does this work for reflection? Well, when you have, we are making these openings, right? Well, remember I said that they're gratings? So this is kind of like, there's a little ridge here, cut in here. When the light shines this way, these little indentations act like a source to spread the light out like this. So you're going to get these reflections that spread out due to each one of these openings are these etchings. And that's the same thing that happened here. The light came through and spread out. So you can get it from reflection, you can get it from the transmission. See the reflections? Yeah, that's the interference pattern.